Looking for a reliable HDMI cable that can stretch across your home without losing signal quality? The 100 feet HDMI cable with CL3 rating is designed exactly for that. It's perfect for in-wall installations, giving your setup a clean, professional look without messy wires cluttering your space. Whether you're running cables behind walls or through ceilings, this cable meets safety standards to keep your home both tidy and secure. What makes this cable stand out is its detachable signal booster adapter, which you must connect to the HDMI input end. This feature ensures your signal stays strong and stable over long distances, eliminating common issues like flickering or lag. The cable itself is directional, so be sure to follow the instructions for the best performance. With heavy-duty 25 Aruban fluorines wiring and full shielding, it resists interference and signal degradation, keeping your picture crisp and your sound clear. Speed and quality matter when you're streaming, gaming, or watching movies. This high-speed HDMI cable supports data transfer rates up to 10.2 gigabits per second and a bandwidth of 340 MHz. It handles refresh rates up to 240 Hz and supports 48-bit deep color, 3D video, 4K resolution, and full HD formats. Plus, it includes Ethernet channel and audio return channel (ARC) support, making it a versatile choice for modern home entertainment systems. Dolby True HD and DTS HD Master audio compatibility mean you get rich, immersive sound to match the stunning visuals. This cable is fully compatible with a wide range of devices, including LCD, LED, and 3D TVs, Blu-ray players, DVD players, and gaming consoles like PS4, PS3, Xbox One, Xbox 360, and Wii U. Whether you're upgrading your home theater or expanding your surveillance system, this cable delivers consistent performance. Users across the United States have praised its quality and convenience, with many noting how it makes complex setups easier and more reliable. Built with 99.9% oxygen-free copper, this cable minimizes signal loss and ensures long-lasting durability. It's also RoHS compliant, meeting environmental and safety standards. Backed by a limited lifetime warranty from Gear IT, you can purchase with confidence knowing your investment is protected. If you want a cable that combines durability, speed, and clean installation, this 100 feet HDMI cable is worth a look. If you're ready to upgrade your home or office setup with a cable that won't compromise on quality or safety, this is a solid choice. The in-wall rating, signal booster, and high-speed specs mean your devices will perform at their best, whether it's gaming, streaming, or monitoring. Try it when you're ready to experience hassle-free, high-quality connectivity that lasts.